Let's create a script in SCCM. Go to software library. The last option is script with a green icon. Right click, create a script. Now give the script name, description, language. In this script timeout second, you can give 90 to 60 seconds based on your script timeout. In script tab, just select the script that you want to deploy. For me, I'm creating a script, get dash windows update log. It's a PowerShell script to generate the Windows update log file using the ETL files in the devices. So hit on next, and the script should be ready. Right click and you have to approve the script. If this option is grayed out, simply go to administration, select your site and go to hierarchy manager. Let me show you as well over here, just a second. Okay, go to administration, select the site. On the right hand side top, select the hierarchy site, uncheck this option, click on apply. Okay, and your script can be approved by you. Okay, let me approve the script. Okay, yes. So once for approval, you just hit to select, you just need to select next, approve, and the script is created and active. Now the script can be deployed on a collection or on a device. You just need to select the collection or device and just right click. For the current scenario, I'm going to select all system, right click, run script, select the script you want to run. Next, we have an option of scheduling if you want to, or else just hit next. Now on the last tab, we can see on how many devices our script has been run successfully. Let's wait for a few minutes. We can see out of 3 devices, 2 devices were active and the script has completed. This is my test device. You can see a windows update.log zip file has been created, and we have successfully created a script and deployed it on the devices. If you like my content, just subscribe to my channel. Please support us. I will try to make more videos on SCCM, Intune and endpoint protection. Thank you for watching.